and welcome to another Twin Flame and Life Purpose class। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ट्विन फ्लेम रिकॉग्निशन के बारे में, या आप कैसे अपने ट्विन फ्लेम या लाइफ पर्पस एक दिन में रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं। आप अपने लाइफ पर्पस और ट्विन फ्लेम को कैसे एक सेकंड में, एक दिन में रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, उसी चीज के बारे में we will be talking. So when nobody is watching, when nobody is around you, आपके आसपास कोई नहीं है, आप घर पे अकेले बैठे हैं, आप बोर हो रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं चल रहा है, टीवी देखने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ करने का मन नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है कि नहीं काम नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है, कहीं नहीं जाना है, आज तो घर पे ही बैठना है, बाहर जाने का मूड भी नहीं है, क्या करूँ? बाहर जाने का मूड नहीं है, शायद लोड शेडिंग भी है, कुछ नहीं करने का मन कर रहा है। तब आप 24/7 जब आप बहुत बोर होते हो, आप क्या करते हो? लेट मी टेल यू ऑल कि मेरी पार्ट टाइम हॉबी क्या है? मेरी पार्ट टाइम हॉबी है साइकोलॉजिस्ट खेलना। लाइक थेरेपी खेलना मेरी हॉबी भी है। लाइक माय लाइफ पर्पस इज लिटरली माय हॉबी। मैं जब बोर होती हूँ तो मैं थेरेपी खेलती हूँ, एंड आई प्ले दैट मेरे अंदर, एंड आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग दिस सिंस 2002। मैं बस ऐसे ही बैठते हुए थेरेपी करती थी। आई यूज्ड टू हैव people coming to me, and I used to like heal them, talk to them, talk about really deep things in their life, and really dive deep into their life and talk about emotions. And I would be like, okay, why do you have this? I love giving therapeutic solutions by birth। मैं जब बोर होती हूँ, कोई नहीं दिख रहे होते हैं, कोई मेरे आसपास नहीं है, कोई मेरे साथ बैठा नहीं है, शायद मेरे फोन भी नहीं थे तब। आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट सिट डाउन एंड जस्ट थिंक ऑफ थेरेपी कि अच्छा, मैं इसके साथ ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ। मैं मैरिड कपल्स ऐसे लोगों को अभी भी आई स्टिल टॉक टू पीपल in my head। People just come into my awareness and I discuss problems with them and I give them advice। ये मेरी 24/7 की हॉबी है। Like I am a therapist inside and out। This is one of my life purpose, and another life purpose of mine is that I love to write। बट मेरी जो फर्स्ट नॉवल थी और सेकंड नॉवल थी, दोनों ही साइकोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है, थेरेपी से रिलेटेड है। इनफैक्ट फर्स्ट नॉवल में मैं पेशेंट और थेरेपिस्ट दोनों बनी थी। सो आपके जो भी लाइफ पर्पस है, आपके जो भी एसेंस ऑफ बीइंग है, वो चीज आपको बचपन से पता है। बिकॉज मैं आई कैन लाइक, यू गाइज माइट स्टार्ट लाफिंग, बट मुझे ये चीज क्लियरली याद है। Shaida will understand the exact thing that I am saying like this, even Navneeta will, and then I will convert it into Hindi। मैं तो क्लास 1 में थी, एंड मेरे दो चाइल्डहुड के फ्रेंड्स, उन लोगों को आई वाज लाइक, लिसन नो, आई हैव समथिंग जरूरी टू से। जरूरी मीन्स लाइक जरूरत के। Because I was also very advice giving in class 1 that okay, this is what a relationship can help work out with. This is how they can improve their marriage, and that has been something I have been fascinated by all my life। And even now जब मैं बोर हो रही होती हूँ या फिर मैं सो रही हूँ, नींद में भी मेरी जब नींद खोलती है, फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज आई गो विद इन, आई चेक इन माई इमोशंस। और अपने इमोशंस को चेक इन करने के बाद आई एम लाइक अच्छा क्या महसूस हो रहा है फर्स्ट थिंग एवरी डे, दिस इज माई रेगुलर थिंग। सुबह नींद खोलने के बाद मैं अंदर जाते हुए आई चेक इन की व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन, ओके हाउ डू आई फील, एंड दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग। और सिर्फ यही नहीं कि बाकी सारे अवेयरनेस भी आते, विजडम भी आते, और मैं बात करने लग जाती हूँ कि अच्छा ये इस वजह से हो रही है, ये विजडम आ रहे। And writing also, I love writing psychological fiction, writing things with psychology, writing things with imagination and love, and or writing things which are very imaginary, like unicorns, and that don't even exist in physical reality, tangible reality. I either like writing intangible things which are to be found within in your terra firma of fairies, in your लैंड ऑफ ड्रीम्स, या तो मुझे साइंटिफिक साइकोलॉजिकल फिक्शन लिखना पसंद है। सो आपके जो भी लाइफ पर्पस है वो आपको बचपन से पता है, बचपन से पता है आपके लाइफ पर्पस के बारे में। इनफैक्ट आई वुड लव प्लेइंग डॉक्टर डॉक्टर, बट मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ डॉक्टर बनना बहुत पसंद था। एंड आई जस्ट लव कि कोई आ रहे हैं, मैं काउंसलिंग कर रही हूँ, I'm just going deep within them and talking about their emotions. So, जो भी चीज आपको गहरे तरीके से पसंद है, हम सबके 3 लाइफ पर्पस होते हैं। लाइफ पर्पस एक ही होते हैं, लेकिन 3 आर्केटाइप्स होते हैं जो कॉमन होते हैं। So I'll tell you one more incident from my childhood. I would love playing kitchen also, but more than kitchen I would play restaurant and दुकान। मैं घर की चीजें लेके बैठ जाती थी और वही चीज मैं अपने मॉम डैड को बेचती थी और वो लोग मुझे सच में पैसे देते थे और मैं वहां से कैलकुलेशन करना सीखती थी। एंड that was actually how I got good with calculation, और मुझे बहुत मजा आता था। टू बी लाइक दाल कितना है, 100 रुपए। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दिस, मैं बस बिछाते हुए बैठती थी। एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू बिजनेस वुमन and restaurant also brings me to restaurant, which is also a business idea. Restaurant is very much a business, so cooking business और दुकान का business, कोई तरीके का business. So the third possible reality for me has been restaurant, because I started also my first life purpose. For my first proper business was in fact a catering service called Nom Nom. That was in 2016. And Nom Nom has really served a lot of people. So आपके जो भी लाइफ पर्पस है, एक होते हैं मेन लाइफ पर्पस, एक #1, #2, #3, तीनों आर्केटाइप्स होते हैं और तीनों आर्केटाइप्स मिलाते हुए आप बनते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, of course I have to write every day because it's like a part of my therapeutic path also. Even if I'm writing about my emotions, I just write every day. And often I am very much into business and I love business and I love therapy. So therapy, business and writing, they have been encapsulated together. So I can have email therapy, business, for example. And email therapy business is something that I would love to do. I would rather write them, like maybe I was supposed to write them 1 page. I'll end up writing them 10, 12 pages. Because go on writing when I start writing. So हम सबके तीनों मेन लाइफ पर्पस होते हैं। सारे इंसानों के 3 मेन आर्केटाइप्स होते हैं। This is why this also determines आपके one life purpose जो encapsulate करते हुए बनते हैं, but the 3 top archetypes is the key. So what I will do now is that I will ask Rahi to unmute herself because she's somebody who's already exploring very deep. So I will start with her.
हेलो
Hello. Yes.
हेलो
So I'm gonna ask you certain questions.
हाँ
आपको आपको मैं जब बोल रही हूँ कि बचपन की बात है, आपको मैक्सिमम कौन से एज की बातें याद है?
जब मैं 13-14 साल या 12
उससे
साल 13 साल, हाँ
उससे पहले याद नहीं है?
उससे पहले भी जो था। हाँ याद है मुझे
हाँ
मुझे
हाँ,
1 साल
याद।
से याद है।
हाँ हाँ, वही मैं कह रही हूँ। ये 1 साल से याद है?
हाँ हाँ
जब आप एकदम छोटे थे,
हाँ
आपके फेवरेट हॉबी क्या था?
फेवरेट हॉबी था घर के लिए पानी उठा के लेके जाना। मतलब किचन में पानी रखना, मम्मी की
हाँ।
हेल्प करना और किचन रिलेटेड हेल्प करना एंड जो कुकिंग करना है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा
हम्म
लगता था। मुझे एक पता है, मुझे याद है बचपन में हम लोग खेलते थे जो कुकिंग कुकिंग बचपन में लड़कियां खेलती
हम्म
थी। और
हम्म।
उसमें जो छोंक दिया जाता है ना, एक आवाज होती है ना, छक करके, वो
हाँ
मैं
हाँ
मुंह से
हाँ हाँ।
करती थी। मुझे बहुत पसंद लगता।
So definitely cooking is your
हाँ मुझे
फर्स्ट,
कुकिंग करना
लाइक
बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
आप जब बहुत बोर होते थे बचपन में,
हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ
आप क्या करते थे?
वो करती थी और फिर डॉक्टर वाला गेम खेलती थी। मुझे बहुत पसंद था डॉक्टर वाला गेम
ओके।
खेलना
तो आप
भाई के साथ। मेरा भाई
ओके,
छोटा था ना मुझसे।
तो आप what kind of doctor? Already you're a biology, microbiology student. So आप डॉक्टर डॉक्टर जब खेलते थे, तो आप किस तरीके की डॉक्टर डॉक्टर खेलते थे?
मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि लोगों को दर्द ना हो, कुछ ऐसा मेडिसिन हो, जादू हो जाए और एक ही मिनट में सही हो जाए। मैं हमेशा प्रिस्क्राइब करती थी, ये ऑइंटमेंट ले लेना, ठीक हो जाएगा। तो मैं पुराना वाला जो था, मम्मी-पापा ऐसे ही फेंक देते थे, वो उठा के रखती थी और लॉटरी बहुत रखती थी मैं अपने पास। मेरे एक मामा हैं, बड़े मामा, वो बहुत
हम्म
लॉटरी
हम्म
खेलते थे और हम लोग लॉटरी को, उसमें लिखा होता है ना डिजिट, 1000, 100, 2, कुछ भी, 2 करोड़। तो हम
हम्म।
लोग वो इतना रखते थे और उसको लेकर पैसे दो फिर देंगे। पैसे की
So
बिज़नेस मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
okay,
पैसे लेकर करेंगे।
yes. So monetary transaction Ludo already brings us to what you're doing, subconsciously tarot
हुँ।
and numerology.
हाँ, मुझे
Uh,
फेस रीडिंग करना बहुत बचपन से आता है। मैं हमेशा बचपन से सोचती हूँ कि अगर इसको आँखें बंद करके सोचती हूँ, कभी भी शॉपिंग करने जाती थी, बहुत
hmm,
बचपन में एकदम,
hmm,
अंकल के साथ, पापा के साथ ही। कोई अगर मुझे बोलता था, "ये उस पे अच्छा लगेगा, तेरी मम्मी को ये अच्छा लगेगा।" मैं आँखें बंद करके सोचती थी कि मम्मी ये ड्रेस पहनी है और मैं इमेजिन कर लेती थी कि नहीं, नहीं ये वाला मत लो, वो वाला लो, वो वाला बहुत अच्छा लगेगा मम्मी पे और वही अच्छा लगता था भी। और सब बोलते हैं मेरी चॉइस बहुत अच्छी है। तो मुझे
that
ऐसा
I'm
लगता
sure.
है कि तब से थैंक यू। पर तब से मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सच में मेरी चॉइस अच्छी है और सच में अच्छी भी लगती है लोगों को। लोग
So you
बोलते
have
भी
a
हैं।
pen and paper around?
हाँ,
Yeah. So just write down the main points like cooking, healing.
ओके।
You actually have a medicine now जो 1 सेकेंड में आपको ठीक कर सकता है.
हाँ, मुझे लोगों का पेन बहुत बुरा लगता है कि 1
Yeah,
सेकंड
so
में
you
ठीक कर देगी
literally
दीदी।
have a medicine now which can heal that. And that's
वाह!
called quantum integration.
ओह! अच्छा,
You do
हाँ,
it
ये तो
every
है।
day. Yes. You do know, right? Like low ke pain, you go within, you
हाँ,
feel it,
हाँ।
and the pain is gone. So
हाँ,
you do
एग्ज़ैक्टली।
have an ointment now. So
थैंक यू।
instantaneously. So you play a very big role in my manifestation. Like you literally manifested me.
अच्छा, हाँ, अभी तो होता है, मैं तो
So,
अभी देख रही थी कि
so
कुछ
I am the
मैनिफेस्ट करती
provider of
हूँ,
that
हो जाता है।
ointment, and you're the doctor who is actually going to prescribe this ointment. So there you go. You have the ointment also. Do you see what I mean?
Not exactly.
Okay, you said that my ointment. Close your eyes. You just said that I would tell कि आपको दर्द हो रहा है ये ointment लो सही हो जाएगा.
हम्म
After coming to the class, y'all got that ointment.
हम्म
Like quantum integration is actually that ointment, which if you remember you had applied on your thigh pain and back pain also. So you literally got an ointment, and of course quantum key or reiki or any healing modality you learn
हम्म
is another ointment जो healing के capacity रखते हैं, where literally you go to the pain and the pain is gone.
हाँ होता है नर्वस में जो जहाँ पे पेन होता है वहाँ पर जाकर हम जो करते हैं हीलिंग
Yes,
उसमें पेन कम जाता है हाँ 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 समझ में आ गया मुझे हाँ थैंक यू
yes. So you literally manifested the ointment. Like, what does doctors do? Doctors के पास, like, you know, right, the process how doctors get medicine. एक medical representative जाता है and
जाता
they
है
tell and all that. But जो medicine company है, that's a factory, right?
हाँ हाँ
Where they manufacture the medicine and create the medicine. So considering this is a factory where the medicine is being manufactured, I'm also the medical representative and I'm representing it to you. And you are that doctor who's receiving the medicine and you can prescribe that. Like, you know the process. Like, you know the process. Like, process is the main key. Like, terminology and all that comes later. You can
कहाँ
call
पे
it anything. Like,
कब
the
कहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है
whole point is कि पेन हो रहा है तो अंदर जाओ. अंदर
हाँ
जाइए is the whole point.
हाँ हाँ ये तो है
So you already are doing it. And you cook also every day. And you're
हाँ
also doing the dress thing, makeup thing.
हाँ मुझे इवेंट मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छे से आता है मतलब बचपन से ही करती हूँ जब मैं बोल रही थी ना 12 साल उससे
Hmm.
पहले भी हम लोग करते थे मतलब जो हमारे पास है उससे मैं कर सकती हूँ ऐसा
Yes.
नहीं है कि ये खरीद लो वो खरीद लो इतने पैसे लगेंगे उतने
Hmm.
पैसे लगेंगे ऐसा नहीं
Hmm.
है मेरे पास जो है
Hmm.
उससे एबिलिटी के ऊपर जो है मेरे पास साड़ी हो सकती है
Hmm.
दुपट्टा हो सकता है उसके साथ मतलब एक स्पेज बनाना है मैं
Hmm.
अलग से बना दूंगी पर मेरे पास जो अवेलेबल है उसके उसके साथ बना दूंगी ऐसा नहीं है कि ये खरीद के लाओ वो खरीद के लाओ जो है उसमें से मैं कर दूंगी
This is called resourcefulness, sustainable resourcefulness. So that is one more trait of yours. Skill, like sustainable resourcefulness.
हाँ मैंने ये कभी नहीं सोचा था पर 4 तारीख को अचानक से पुरानी बातें याद आई
Hmm.
और फिर मैं कल परसों से बहुत इन्वॉल्व हो गई हूँ मैं कर सकती हूँ ये कर सकती हूँ वो कर सकती हूँ बहुत लोगों को आइडिया भी दे दिया एक्चुअली
Hmm.
हमारे जो ग्रुप है उसमें बहुत कुछ आइडिया भी दे दिए सबको पसंद भी आए हैं तो मुझे लगता है ये एक मेरी हॉबी नहीं है बस ये चाहती थी मैं बहुत दिन से करके शांति भी मिलती है अंदर से कि हाँ अच्छा हुआ है
So
बहुत
that
अच्छा हुआ
definitely can be one of your another life purpose. But I said तीन main archetypes होते हैं. So what I have fathomed for you abhi tak is that cooking for sure, like that, so everybody can tell, like for sure it is a part of your life purpose. And healing,
हाँ
tarot reading,
नए तरीके
which you
की
can
टेस्ट
put
आना अच्छा
together,
लगा फीलिंग सारी दिन हाँ हाँ
and
एक साथ कर
because
सकते हैं सारी
Loto
चीज
comes under tarot reading only. Like tarot like एक इंसान को अगर लोटो नंबर्स को पता करना है तो वो टैरो रीडर के पास ही जाएंगे या फिर एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाएंगे या फिर न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाएंगे. And this brings us to a third point, which is makeup artist, event management, event sustainable resourcefulness.
हाँ, और फैशन मतलब ज्वेलरी मेकिंग, ज्वेलरी मतलब कौन सा ज्वेलरी किस ड्रेस के साथ जाता है अच्छे से मुझे पता है.
So that can come
मुझे
under
पता है कि
the third
कौन सा
one.
ज्वेलरी किसके साथ जाता है, कौन सा है, ये सारी
That can
चीज
come
मुझे
under your third
पता है.
point, which is event management, makeup artist. That is like up grooming,
हाँ
fashion consultant, if you like the term.
हाँ, फैशन कंसल्ट.
Or event consultant, if you like the term. मुझे term देना भी बहुत, as I said, I love giving birth to business. I'm very passionate about giving terminology.
मुझे फैशन कंसल्टेंसी बनना तो बहुत पहले से था. बचपन से मुझे फैशन डिजाइनिंग करना था, ये करना था, वो करना था. मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है ड्रेसेस के बारे में, मतलब ड्रेसेस बनाना उतना पसंद नहीं है, पर कौन सी चीज के साथ जाएगी वो बताना मुझे बहुत पसंद है
That's
कि
image
ये ड्रेस के साथ
consulting.
ये है. हाँ, ये सारी चीज.
So, image consulting, fashion consulting, sustainable resourcefulness, chef, and healer who loves to give the ointment that changes everything. And you already have that ointment. It's Cat.
हाँ.
You have the like compact wholeness of it because Cat also includes quantum key. And you do have a medicine now. And I'm sure you could also tell कि अच्छा दर्द like pain हो रहा है aspirin खा लो and all that. Like you good with like that also, I'm sure. Like
मेरे घर में अच्छे से मेडिसिन दे सकती हूँ, सब पूछते हैं. मतलब मैं घर में अच्छे से मेडिसिन सही देती हूँ, मतलब एकदम सही से. जो बोलते हैं एलोपैथी एंड होम्योपैथी बोथ, क्योंकि मुझे सारे प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत पसंद है बचपन से. मेरे मेरे एक अंकल होम्योपैथी प्रैक्टिशनर है, तो मुझे पसंद है कि मुझे जानना है. अच्छा, बुखार होता है तो ये देते हैं. बुखार के जो पार्ट होते हैं, मतलब किस तरीके से बुखार आया, ठंड लग के आया, वायरस है, वायरल है, कुछ है, कोविड है, कुछ है, इन्फ्लुएंजा है, अलग है, सबका अलग अलग होता है. तो मैं दे सकती हूँ एकदम एग्जैक्ट मेडिसिन.
Since you're a
घर में सब
biology
पूछते हैं
student,
कौन सा ले लो.
have you ever considered going for homeopathy courses?
हाँ, मैंने 2 बार पास किया था ना, मुझे मिल भी गया था कॉलेज.
No, you
घर
can
में
still go for it online also. There are colleges online. I in fact had plans last year that I'll go for one. And like there are online
मैं
courses
जॉइंट
of
मैं
homeopathy.
2 बार जॉइंट पास कर चुकी थी आफ्टर एचएस, एंड उसके बाद पर मेरे पापा ने मुझे नहीं जाने दिया, क्योंकि उनको लगता था कि मेडिकल करो, मतलब सॉरी एमबीबीएस करो, बीएचएमएस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. पर मुझे बीएचएमएस में ज्यादा लगता है, क्योंकि नेचुरल तरीके से होता है ना वो.
So you are learning a natural modality here already, but you can of course go for homeopathy as well.
थैंक यू. ऑनलाइन पे कोर्सेस क्या
Online courses hai. It's like hardly within $500. The whole course. There are places जो $500 में आ जाएंगे. Like that is around 30,000 में आ जाएंगे course. Like there are online courses. I have seen because मैंने बहुत search किया था एक बार. But I like
थैंक यू, मैं
I love
बहुत
the
दिन
idea
से
of being
सर्च
a
कर रही
doctor.
थी।
I love
हाँ,
the idea of being a
मुझे बहुत
doctor.
पसंद है। मेरे मम्मी कभी-कभी बोलती है, "अरे पढ़ाई नहीं किया वो फ्यूचर
Even
में तुम्हें
I
पता
might be
है?"
going for the course, so we may go for it together. Then we can study together also.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये
So
चीज़।
we can plan it up. If you're going,
हाँ,
we
हाँ,
can go for
ज़रूर।
it together,
ओके,
and
कोई
then
बात
we
नहीं,
can
ज़रूर।
plan it up and study together. It'll be exciting. Exams के time bore नहीं होंगे.
दोनों मिल के पढ़ेंगे।
हाँ, like we'll know कि एग्जाम कब है, कब क्या सबमिट करना है असाइनमेंट. And we both are very passionate about it also. मजा भी आएगा.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है। मतलब मुझे जानना बहुत पसंद है। मैं
आयुर्वेदिक
जानती हूँ,
भी
ऑलरेडी जानती हूँ।
आयुर्वेदा के भी कोर्स आपको
आय
मिलेंगे. सिर्फ यही नहीं.
आयुर्वेदा, यूनानी 2 अलग-अलग का भी है।
सिर्फ यही नहीं. I can give you one more idea which is playing in my mind right now, and that is you can create your own herb medicine. It just dawned upon me. Like for you, I just got it. Like मैं कहती हूँ ना, हल्दी लगा रही हूँ.
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
But we can literally have our own ointments and our own medicines by creating it out of natural product. And you're already a biology student, so you know the
हाँ, कर सकते हैं।
compositions too.
हाँ, जैसे
So,
आयुर्वेदा में होता है, सारे तो नेचुरली
hmm.
होता है। हाँ, सुंदर
So
आइडिया। सोच के देखना पड़ेगा।
yes, I just got this idea, because of while talking to you for healing. Like I was like, wow, this can be my new pastime. Like, yeah, like I like this is
हाँ,
again, you see, again I'm playing therapy here. This is the
बना
process. You're
सकते हैं
getting
सच
it.
में।
Yeah, we can. We can create like face pack तो we can.
हाँ,
हल्दी
फेस
वल्दी
पैक तो
के
मैं
साथ.
यूजुअली यूज़ करती हूँ, ये लगा के वो मिला के ये करती हूँ करके। हेयर ऑयल बना लिया है मैंने अपना खुद का
There
घर
you
में।
go. There you go. Include it. Like write that down also. That is one more topic. Natural products of makeup. Like write down. You might miss it out later. That's why I'm saying just point it out.
हाँ, हाँ।
Natural makeup. Because मैंने बहुत लोगों को online अब देखा. Even you have seen, I'm sure, because we're both on Facebook all day.
हाँ, हाँ।
So
नहीं, यूट्यूब में भी है एंड फेसबुक में भी है। सारे
there
लोग
are people in Facebook जो लोग soaps बनाते हैं घर पे.
तो हाँ, सोप्स बनाते
हाँ,
हैं घर पे।
there is one person जो कितना सुंदर बनाते हैं ओरियो वोरियो शेप का.
शेप का,
So
हाँ, हाँ।
कोलकाता
केक
से ही
शेप
है.
का, कभी-कभी मैं
हाँ हाँ
देखती हूँ कि
हाँ.
केक शेप का बना है, सेम केक। एक
हम्म.
ओरिजिनल वाला से केक और सोप एक है, पूरा सेम।
And I was planning कि मैं ऑर्डर करूंगी वो ओरियो वाला. It was like so yummy. I'm like मुझे ये ओरियो साबुन चाहिए. So that is one more thing you can include, like natural makeup products. You just gave me a good, while talking to you, I got a new hobby to play with. Now I'm like excited कि क्लास खत्म होने के बाद मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी घर में जो चीजें हैं. I'm very much like you कि घर के चीजों से चीजें बनाना and all that.
हाँ, घर की चीज़ों से।
हाँ. You guys, you and I have like a lot of similarities, and you just gave me an idea about that. In fact, that wow, this is something crazy because मैं already कहती हूँ कि वहाँ पे हल्दी डालिए. So I'm like literally I can create things with.
हाँ, वाटरमेलन थिंग, आइस डालिए।
Yeah, I
हाँ,
already do that, right? So
हाँ, हाँ।
yeah, that is something I can do in the physical also. And I wouldn't have had this idea had I not been discussing, because that is the thing. आप जब भी किसी के साथ लाइफ पर्पस के बारे में बात करते, दिस टोनी रॉबिन्स सेज कि आप जब भी किसी और को एम्पावर कर रहे हो, आप ऑटोमेटिकली खुद एम्पावर हो जाते हो.
हाँ, लोगों को सिखाने के लिए खुद का आइडिया भी आएगा, खुद को बहुत कुछ आइडिया आता है।
Like my ideas only revolve around therapy. मुझे डॉक्टर खेलना ही सिर्फ पसंद है. Like मुझे बचपन से थेरेपिस्ट बनना है. Like I have to heal and all that. That's my favoriteest game. I love Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is my benchmark. जो मुझे बनना है.
You are the healer also.
Like no, I used to be like मुझे जीसस क्राइस्ट जैसा बनना है. Like you know सब बच्चों को होते हैं कि कैसा बनना है,
हाँ
बड़े होके
हाँ
किसके जैसे बनना है. मुझे बड़े होके
हाँ हाँ.
जीसस क्राइस्ट जैसा बनना है. So who was your ideal role, like you know that ideal person जिसके जैसे आपको बनना था?
मुझे नहीं पता, सच में अभी तक नहीं पता.
Like
मुझे
one person.
मुझे हमेशा लगता है मैं अपनी मम्मी की तरह बन जाऊं, वो बहुत है.
So your mom is very good a chef.
हाँ, और मल्टीटास्किंग बहुत है, घर का काम अकेले पूरा एकदम कर सकती है बहुत. मैं हमेशा मम्मी को बोलती हूँ, मम्मी तुम कैसे कर लेते हो इतने काम, आई कांट.
You just you just repeated yourself again. Multitasking अच्छे से कर लेते हैं. Read now what you've written. You just told me everything. Now read what you've written.
इतना कुछ तो आता है.
And you have forgotten. Let me remind you. Poetry, writing.
हाँ, राइटिंग, पोएट्री लिखना तो बहुत पसंद है मुझे.
So this brings us to our next point, which is not exactly here. That might be a part of your hobby. For me, that is cooking.
हाँ, ये है
Like
हॉबी.
for me, that is cooking. Like कभी कभी करना पसंद होता है जब मूड होता है तो.
हॉबी मुझे बहुत इतना पसंद है.
Hmm.
हाँ हाँ, हॉबी लाइक ऐसा ही, जब मूड होता है बहुत करते हैं, जब मूड नहीं होता है बुरी लगते हैं सब.
For me, that is with cooking. Like जब मूड होता है तो मैं बस शेफ बन जाऊंगी उस दिन के लिए. This दिन. So it is cooking for me. So we all have this side. So that is like the hobby side. So leisure time में हम कर रहे होते हैं.
हाँ,
So
मुझे करना चाहिए.
so when we encapsulate event management, fashion, therapy, and do you know Komal Pandey?
No.
Please search for her. वो fashion therapy करती है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, मैं सर्च करती हूँ.
And she's a fashion blogger. Search for Komal Pandey, Dolly Singh, Superwoman, because they three can give you greater business ideas to work on. So with
मुझे सर्च करूंगी मैं आज.
event management, fashion consultancy, cooking, which is catering, of course, handling, multitasking, therapy, and talk therapy, rather, we can come to a conclusion कि आप मैरिज ब्यूरो खोल सकते हो, कि आप कपल थेरेपी भी इंक्लूडेड है, इंडिविजुअल थेरेपी भी इंक्लूडेड है, हीलिंग भी इंक्लूडेड है जो हील हो रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ इवेंट मैनेज भी चल रहा है. आई एम गिविंग यू अ लॉन्ग इंडस्ट्रियल लुक ऑफ योर होल पर्पस. Close your eyes so that you get that feeling. So imagine कि एक ऑफिस है. So लोग आ रहे हैं कि पार्टनर, आइडियल पार्टनर, शायद ब्रेकअप हुआ है तो आप बात करो कि अच्छा ब्रेकअप हुआ है, अंदर जाओ, हील करो, ठीक है. उसके बाद ओके, यू आर बीइंग इंटरेस्टेड इन द फैक्ट दैट ओके किस तरीके की कपल चाहिए. अच्छा इस तरीके की चाहिए तो ये ऑप्शंस है आपके पास. सपोज अरेंज के लिए जो आ रहे हैं, जो लव के लिए आ रहे तो ऑलरेडी आ रहे. तो उसके साथ साथ ओके ग्रूमिंग, फैशन, इमेज कंसल्टेंसी, कैटरिंग ऑल्सो. यू कैन गिव देम आइडिया कि ये खाना रख सकते हो, ये चीजें कर सकते हो. एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली बी अ पर्सन जो सुपरवाइज करते हैं. यू नो द रिच पीपल डोंट
हाँ,
वर्क, दे
सुपरवाइज.
सुपरवाइज.
हाँ,
So who says this, you know? Let's not get into that now because okay, my twin
सुपरवाइज
says
करना
that.
बहुत पसंद है.
But but rich people don't work, they supervise, says my twin flame. And let थोड़ा सा ब्लश कर लो. Yeah, back to the work. So, yeah, a little bit slowing down. You know what I am meaning referring to. So yeah, so supervising and supervision के साथ साथ you can have a talk with catering also. Give them taste idea also. ये डालो, वो डालो. And if it's your company, of course, in your company you will not be sitting and cooking. You will have people to cook. So you will tell कि अच्छा ऐसे इसके बाद ये करो. ऐसे नहीं कौशाते हैं. I know it sounded like a horrible Hindi, but
tough.
please like translate it. Like what would be the Hindi of Kaushano? Hello,
Hindi of what?
Kaushano.
What is
Ram
caution?
Yeah, like hello Rahe. I think spicing up the food. Like
Oh, okay. Masaledar?
like
No.
jo like like you just keep on
Mashing it up.
no you just keep on okay,
Stirring it.
stirring it and so that the masala just
Gets
mixes
fried up.
well with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
In English we say that until the masala. Oh, you are in mute.
Saute, toss,
Yeah,
mixing.
mixing.
What
Yeah,
I mix after cooking.
हाँ,
Sorry. During cooking,
Hmm.
that means saute.
yeah.
Just
No,
mix the
कौशानो के जो हिंदी
हाँ,
मतलब like जो
हिंदी जानी
हिंदी
ना
में हम भी नहीं जानते.
लेकिन
So-
I don't know हिंदी
मे भी मिलाना.
हाँ मिलाना जी.
हाँ वो हो सकता है
वो जो होता है ना
हमारे
कि अब जब कोई नॉनवेज चीज बना रहे हो तो जो मसाला
भूजना.
देके हाँ भूजना.
फ्राई
Yes,
करना.
there you go. भूजना. Yes, भूजना is the word.
Bhujna or bhunna?
भूनना शायद
वही
Bhunna.
भूनना और भूजना एक ही है.
Okay, I didn't know bhujna and bhunna were the same anyway. But yeah, I've heard about bhunna.
हाँ मैंने भी भूनना सुना है भूजना नहीं सुना है
मेरे लिए दोनों ही नया वर्ड है अभी. I'm very dash. So yeah. So I know that you mix it and I have always followed chefs who talk in English.
हाँ मैं तो बहुत देखती हूँ मुझे बहुत पसंद है मेरे
तो-
पापा पूछते हैं इसका क्या मीनिंग है व्हाट इज क्यूमिन व्हाट इज फेनुग्रीक मैं जाकर बोलती हूँ ये मसाला ये है
So supervising, you can write that down as well.
हाँ सुपरवाइजिंग
So इसके साथ साथ I can give you one more hobby that we again have in common. That is NGO, doing something for children. That is not exactly a hobby. That is again like writing for you and cooking for me.
एनजीओ में काम लोगों के लिए काम करना
So this brings you to a stipulated idea of an industry where you can
ये
have
बहुत सारे आइडियाज मिल गए हैं और ये सारे आई एम श्योर कि ये सारे सर्च करते करते मुझे बहुत सारे आइडियाज और भी निकल के आएंगे कि इसमें क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या
and you
मिला
can encapsulate them. जैसे कि I encapsulated and I said that email coaching. I just said right. Like so when you encapsulate them all, cooking, fashion, therapy, when you encapsulate them all, it can come down to a fact that you can have like a marriage consultation service, marriage event service, or any kind of event service, which has catering, everything supervised. Like you have your own caterer, you have everything. आपके खुद के कैटरिंग के भी लोग हैं जिनको आप डायरेक्शन देते हुए खाना टेस्ट करते हुए and you are like you can be a good taster also because आप नॉन वेज भी खाते हैं so taste भी कर सकते हैं and at the same time you can handle the fashion part also like bride क्या पहनेंगे, and in fact you can do it for a particular community or all communities also. Like why particular community? दीन दयाल जी कहते हैं कि आप जितना niche based हो जाएंगे. I just became, you saw, right? I encapsulated them into one thing. आप जितना niche based हो जाएंगे. So say maybe email coaching for healing trauma, email coaching for healing CPTSD, email coaching for manifestation. So आप जितना niche based हो जाएंगे वो आपकी इंडस्ट्री हो जाएंगे. So mine can be email coaching for relationship and recovery out of breakup. So घूम फिर के वही relationship, love.
Right.
My deal is love. So if you come to a niche base of a particular community, so your target audience will be easier to get. It's easier to get target audience जब आपके niche जितना stipulated है. For example, एक इंसान जो एक टाइप के डॉल बनाते हैं, एक फिक्स टाइप के डॉल, जो भी होलसेलर्स है उसी के पास जाएंगे. Manufacturer wholesalers, that's how they work, right? So that is also something you can incorporate. And these are like wholesome ideas that you can put together. And you can have it all up there. So maybe for Bengali community you're doing it in West Bengal. I help Bengali communities in West Bengal. Or I help Indians. I help India. I travel all over India. और मैं इंडियंस को हेल्प करती हूँ. You already have a lot of clients here. जिनके शादी में you can start your business. There's so many people here who are your potential clients. जिनके शादी में you're doing that. Or you have an overseas, you have 3 overseas clients also. जिनके आप already have 3 overseas clients. जिनके आप foreign communities के भी शादी के planning कर देंगे. So, it just keeps getting better and better. So, how do you feel about the main points?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मुझे
And in fact, you can have your own
पॉइंट
dress.
आंसर मिल गया है कि मैं इतने में से क्या क्या एग्जैक्टली करना चाहती हूँ. मतलब बहुत सारे कर सकती हूँ.
There is one more thing I'm downloading, that is playing with fashion, like designing your clothes and going to the tailor and just giving the idea.
वो मैं कर सकती हूँ बहुत अच्छे से.
Like giving the idea कि इस तरीके से बनाओ, इस तरीके से करो. So that is fashion designing also.
हाँ, ये इसीलिए मुझे फैशन डिजाइनर बनना था. मतलब
So you can always become that. You don't have to have a degree to become that.
नहीं, मुझे डिग्री के लिए नहीं चाहिए, बट करना था मुझे, इसलिए मैं करती हूँ ना. अपने लिए करती हूँ, खुद के लिए करती हूँ.
No. That is like, you don't need a degree to start that business also. Skill is important. So fashion designing can be another place of your concern. And yes, you have another hobby if you're forgetting, music.
वो मैंने बोला नहीं है, पर लिख दिया था. म्यूजिक, हाँ, मुझे गाना गाना बहुत पसंद है.
But then that, I guess, is again your hobby.
हाँ, हॉबी है मेरा.
For me, that hobby is shaking my head and listening to music and creating collective astronomical shifts, changing collective astronomical polarity.
डांस भी बहुत अच्छा है. डांस सुन के ही अच्छा लग रहा है. एक्चुअली टर्म देना भी आपकी हॉबी है.
हाँ, term देना. I said right, creating business
हाँ,
is one of my hobby. I love it. Creating business, creating a sorting things out is one of my thing. Like I like to sort things out. That is also there. That's also again a supervising role. We're all supervisors in making here. We're all leaders in making here.
हम्म,
So the point that you have, this does give you an idea of who you are now.
हाँ
You have
बहुत
quite a lot
आइडिया
of
मिला।
products.
हाँ
So in fact, आपके एक whole business में, for example, if you consider Teal Swan, just go to Teal Swan shop. You will see कि she has everything from painting to face masks to shoes. She has everything. So once you become a whole professional, you can have your endless products. जो unique products है, you can have your endless products. And this
सबके
is
अलग अलग
something.
आइडिया है।
And you can encapsulate them into one also. And that can also help give you leverage when you've started your business online. So how do you feel after this much of clarity?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, अंदर से एक फील हो रहा है कि अभी कुछ करना है, और अभी जो राइट डाउन तो इतना कुछ करा है, जितना भी किया है मुझे मुझे पता था पर पता नहीं था। एक ऐसा फीलिंग है एक कि मुझे पता था पर पता नहीं था, ऐसा है। फिर से मैंने देखा
That's
मुझे
why you have a coach. And that's how why
हाँ
coaching comes in and mentorship comes in. This is why we have business mentor, like this is why we have mentors, because this is why coaching business comes into existence. So
हमें
how
पता
do you
है,
feel?
पर अपने अंदर की और सारी चीजें पता होने के बावजूद भी हम लोगों को क्लियरिटी नहीं होता है कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, वो कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए हमें कोच या कोई कोच तो चाहिए, या फिर कोई बता सके हमको कि अरे यू कैन डू इट, थैंक यू।
So you're a guide or a mentor or a coach. That's what our profession is called. And Tony Robbins
हाँ
says
मेंटर।
that Tony Robbins uses the term unleash your potential for this. In fact, उनके प्रोग्राम होते हैं, उनका नाम ही होता है unleash your potential. Like every year his event is called unleash your potential. And a coach is like born to unleash your potential. A coach is somebody who brings the best out of you because they love it. I just told you, like, this is my hobby. I'm doing my hobby. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है ये करने में. Like, I'm just bringing out the best out of you. मुझे मजा आ रहा है because whenever nobody is around, मैं यही करूंगी. This is the way you have your deep passion. Idea generation is very much a part of coaching only because a coach has to have a lot of ideas and a lot of sorted out mind to give you that platform where you have that clarity. Like a coach has to have that. That has to be a coach also has to be resourceful, which again Tony Robbins teaches us in class that be resourceful. It is about resourcefulness. So how do you feel after the encapsulation of all of that?
अंदर से एक अलग ही, अब क्या बताऊं, मुझे एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है इतना कि क्या बताऊं।
And you can have collaboration with our digital artist जो शादी कार्ड बनाने वाले बहुत जल्दी, who we go to next though for this. So once you've written this, the encapsulation, now that I'm going to work with Kajal, so you just sit down and just work through, process it, whatever you've written, just because once you process through, बहुत सारे और भी ideas और भी thoughts आएंगे.
देखो
Just
कि बहुत
process,
सारे
just
आइडियाज
sit
आएंगे और
down
भी
and
नीड
meditate.
बेस होगा, मुझे पता है, और भी पर्टिकुलर चीज को याद आएगा कि
Particular,
मुझे तो
yeah.
यही करना है, मुझे तो यही करना
आप जितना पर्टिकुलर करेंगे आपके लिए लोगों को कहना भी इजी रहेगा, अपने बिजनेस को पिच करना भी इजी रहेगा. पिचिंग के लिए भी इजी हो जाते हैं. The only reason we become niche based is like पिचिंग इजियर हो जाते. So this brings us like to a point where you just sit down and meditate. Whatever you've written, just watch it, observe it. Observe करने वक्त ही आपको बहुत से ideas और भी आएंगे. So as you do that, I'll be going to Kajal now. Thank you. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely working with you because wow, it was like so mind opening. Thank you.
मेरा भी था. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi Kajal. Hello. Okay, Kajal hasn't joined the class yet. So we go to Deepika because she's another person who's pretty sorted here with her hobbies.
Hello.
Hello.
In
Hello.
fact, I was thinking half of the things I just forgot, and while listening to Rai, I was remembering those.
Yeah. So which is the year जो आपको याद है एकदम से?
I must be 7, 8 years old.
Okay. What would you उसके आगे की याद नहीं है?
हाँ, उसके पहले भी. This is what I
हाँ,
used to do. Pretend that I'm an actress and act.
Okay.
Play that character, yeah.
You have pen and paper too?
Yes.
Yeah. So first point,
Hmm.
actress, pretend that I'm an actress. This brings me to the next point. Search for Prajakta Kohli today. Of course, you know her. Everybody knows her.
Sorry?
But
I did
Prajakta
not.
Kohli, mostly same. If you don't know her, then
No.
please Google it.
I searched.
Yeah, I'm like, okay. She's from Mumbai only. So I thought that you'll know her.
No, I don't recollect. I'll
The
see.
moment you said like pretending to acting, definitely search for Prajakta Kohli today. Prajakta
Sure.
Kohli and Superwoman, both.
All right, I'll do that.
Because you can already start that.
Okay. I'll
Because you have seen, right? वो जो bloggers होते हैं एक बार मम्मी होके बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, that I've seen. Yeah.
That you've seen, right? Yeah.
Yes.
वही चीज. There are many people like that. Risham is someone I like too.
Okay.
So you write down his name also, so you can search.
Risham.
Yeah, Risham, Prajakta Kohli, and Superwoman.
Yes, done.
So after that, what would you do? What would you pretend to be? What role was your favorite?
You don't want to know that. Ekta Kapoor's daily soaps any heroine or anything.
आपके घर के पास आइज बोल के एक जगह है जहाँ पे आप जा सकते हो. By the way, you know, right?
Sorry?
आइस is Ekta Kapoor school. बालाजी के school है आइस.
Yeah.
You can go there also. वहाँ पे मुंबई में तो हर जगह पे है भाई स्कूल.
Yeah, वो तो है. Think I should.
And the options I've given you, they and Dolly Singh, you also search for her. She also does things like that.
Yes.
So, what else would you do?
And if I was very bored and अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होता था कुछ भी तो I used to draw. So love that.
Okay.
Would make
So-
sceneries and all.
Drawing sceneries. So yeah, that is another thing that you can like write down, of course, which maybe is coming up later because today only is one uploaded her photo on Yoni painting, Yoni channeling, womb channeling, painting, channel painting. Of course, you know Tills one has so many.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So yeah.
And dancing, listening to music. All this. Wow.
Dancing, yes. So Dancing is another thing you can be encapsulating. What else do you love as you're growing up after that?
After that, I would have imaginary people and talk to them. I don't know what, but I love talking. That is
Talk
my
about what? This brings to your niche also. Talk about what?
anything, just life in general.
Life coach?
Life, yeah. I thought about that.
Life coach. This is kind of like life coaching only, but yeah, I'm not a life coach. I'm a business and relationship coach.
Mm-hmm.
We have a good life coach around, Nitin Mohanlal sir. So yeah, so we definitely can check out his work also for life coaching purposes. And there are various life coaches around
Mm-hmm.
जिनके आप चेक कर सकते हो. There is this क्या कहते हैं इनको, I cannot recall. अरे लाइफ स्किल्स, व्हाट इज दैट प्लेस का नाम? न्यू स्किल्स अकेडमी.
Okay.
Just go and search New Skills Academy. You don't even search. I have their life coaching course with me. That was the
Oh.
first place I got myself certified with life coaching. But I was like, I was inquisitive.
Mm-hmm.
A life coach's path is to guide. A life coach just guides you. Like
Mm-hmm.
life coach is basically a guide.
Correct.
So, what about life would you like to talk about? Exact जगह of life जिसके बारे में आपको बात करना बहुत पसंद है.
How to belong. Something related to how to belong and feel confident. Usually, I would have imaginary people, or even if I would see anyone in the college and school whom others were not talking to, I would always go and talk to them and make them feel belong.
Yeah. So, including them and being a guide, and also we can say that what was that? Wait, I'm just forgetting the term. Wait, there's a very beautiful term for it. There is another company which I would like you to check. It's called ECT. I'm also googling that because I really want to tell you the term ECT content writing. Just search for ECT content writing, and I'll just tell you the exact term because they have a service. Okay, it's called communication skills and personality development.
Oh.
I told you already this soft skills
Yes.
training, and yeah, I had already.
You did.
I had predicted this.
Yes.
That yeah, it's called communication skills
Yes.
and personality
What's that?
development coach. Exact
Okay.
term for it.
Hmm.
And they have a certification for it also. You can go for it. They have a course, and in fact, they give you leads.
Okay.
No, I'm sending it in the group.
Alright.
They give you
Thank you.
leads,
Mm-hmm.
and सिर्फ वही नहीं, they are a government registered company. Even we are a government registered company, Quantum Dynamic 8.
Yes.
And we are under Udyog Aadhar, we are registration of like the new startups of India.
Yeah.
We are a part of that already. Like we've been a part of that since last year. So it's been more than a year we are registered with the government. And that company too is and it's in Delhi, and they have a course for that. So it's exactly the term is that for that.
Okay, I'll check that out
Yeah.
right after the class.
So after that, you are growing up a little. What are you doing?
What am I doing? Oh no.
You got your niche. Nobody yet has got their niche. You got the exact term.
Yes. I think
And you can have
that's
a
all.
different term for it also. Like even if you go for their certification,
Yeah.
you can still use a different term for it, which you would like if you want. Otherwise, of course, you can have this if you love it, or you can go for the image consultancy and soft skills trainer term also. Or you can come up with something very unique जो आपके soul को touch कर रहे हैं, आपके soul से connected हो रहे हैं. So what is Deepika doing?
Deepika is forgetting everything.
What is she doing after that? After forgetting, now that she's remembering, what is she doing? You don't have to remember anything to become a personality development coach. बस लोग आएंगे, develop हो जाएंगे, then better you forget, otherwise so many things to remember.
Yes, correct.
Like if you remember, can you imagine?
No.
Okay.
इतना नहीं
Remember.
चलाना है दिमाग. Yeah,
If
correct.
you remember everything, like really like what? So communication skills, which
Yes.
is already included, which you are forgetting.
Mm-hmm.
This it brings us to. So communication skills and personality development.
Yeah, I like it.
You like the term?
Yes.
You can definitely go for the
Concept.
certification also, because it will actually add leverage to your path. I have so much of certification because certification not only gives, एक तो आपको कोर्स के साथ नॉलेज मिल रहे हैं, मैं नॉलेज के लिए भूखी हूँ, इसीलिए मैं सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए जाती हूँ. इसके साथ साथ आप अगर सर्टिफिकेट रखते हुए बिजनेस शुरू कर रहे हैं,
Yes.
और एक चीज है जो आप कर सकते हैं इसके साथ साथ, टेस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश एज अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, TOEFL, TEFL. It's coming for like TOSOL, something like that. Academy, it's called. You just
Okay.
have to search on Facebook. It's like popping up all over on Facebook. They're advertising it right now. So it's like test of English as a foreign language, basically. So TESOL. So I think that the other one is called TESOL. Taste of English as a foreign language, I know. The other one is oblique TESOL, I guess. So you can incorporate that as well, because that with this, if you encapsulate, because you are a certified world TESOL teacher, with this certification, you're good to go, bro, with your business. And you can definitely, you wouldn't have probably, and you come from a corporate background also. So do you see why your job happened now?
Yes.
And why your graduation is in business?
Yeah.
Now do you regret?
No.
Now you see everything happens perfectly.
Yes,
You
definitely.
had to have that corporate outlook to start a corporate business.
Sounds amazing.
Yours is started. You're like about to start your business. Like discussion with Rai and discussion with you is like way different here. Like we are setting up what you can start with here because you've done the work. This is now you know अंदर जाने का फायदा.
Credit goes to you, madam. Thank you so much.
That doesn't
वरना मैं
mean अंदर
भूलती
जाना
ही
खत्म
रहती.
हो गया है. फ्राइडे फिर से सब अंदर जाएंगे.
हाँ, अंदर जाएंगे. नहीं, अंदर बहुत जाना है मुझे भी.
अंदर जाना खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Don't have any. Nobody should have the hope and faith
High
that
hopes.
अंदर जाना खत्म हो गया है. अंदर
No,
जाना
no.
कभी खत्म नहीं होगा मेरे साथ. But dive never stops.
No,
You
we
just
love
keep
it.
diving and diving and diving and diving and diving.
We're deep divers.
So Deepika has grown up a little. What is she doing? She has forgotten though she has a hobby of cooking in 2 minutes. For all of you who don't know, Deepika can make sabudana khichdi in 2 minutes.
Thank
I was
you.
like, what? She makes roti also in 2 minutes. Super fast
Oh,
cook.
roti. Oh my God. I used to make rotis, amazing rotis. Entire family would sit for lunch and dinner. They would ask me to make rotis garam garam and they would have.
That's definitely your hobby.
Yeah.
Or you can teach also online. Like you can actually share this online. Those newlywed brides don't. I am a newlywed. I'm not newlywed, but about to be wed.
Yes.
मेरे को रोटी बनाना नहीं आता है. So you can teach how to make roti. You can have crash course for cooking. You and Rahi can have a collaboration with this. Actually, I can also contribute, but I can only contribute with the gravy part. I can make restaurant जैसा खाना घर पे. I can bring the
Definitely.
texture, taste. That's all. I am very. I can make exact butter chicken and butter paneer, butter everything.
And plating, I'm sure.
I love the restaurant taste because मुझे खाना खाना बहुत पसंद है actually. तो मैं I love to cook because I love to eat. मैं खुद का खाना खुद ही खाने के लिए बनाती हूँ.
Wow. Cooking is definitely a hobby.
Yes. So this brings us to the next point of cooking, of having a cooking crash course. Like business is something you can have ample of business. I have so many products. If all of you are aware, right?
Yes.
My company, I think, has right now how many products do I have? Let me calculate and tell you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 products in my company. And plus YouTube, 15. I have 15 products. Still, like, I'm getting more ideas. Like, my product generation is like never ending.
That's it.
So, I have 15 businesses right now. I have 15 source of income.
Yes.
At the age of 26.
Kudos.
So, you can have ample of sources of income. Business is like passion. You can make business out of anything. Literally, you can make business out of anything. And that is one of my hobbies, in fact, to make business out of anything. Like I love creating businesses. Like business बनाना मुझे पसंद है. Like बनाने के बाद सो जाना. I love to create. Like that's what comes under coaching. Again, relationship and business coaching के अंदर आते हैं. This brings to our next point. Deepika थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई है. Rahi, do you know of this? मेरी যখন ছোট ছিল.
হ্যাঁ প্রচুর খেলেছি.
Just reminded, like the way I was talking. I'm like, just because.
स्कूले एतो खेलेছি.
There was this thing कि मेरी जब छोटी थी तब उसकी आदत थी. मेरी जब छोटी बड़ी हुई
थोड़ी बड़ी थोड़ी बड़ी हुई थोड़ी
हाँ,
बड़ी हुई
थोड़ी
इसके
बड़ी
बाद
हुई
उसकी आदत थी
थिंकिंग सोच रही है मेरी जब और थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ तब उसकी आदत थी खेलना मेरी जब स्कूल गई तब उसकी आदत थी इट वाज लाइक दिस एंड इट वाज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट गेम्स इन चाइल्डहुड
हाँ मैं भी खेलती थी बहुत अब अच्छा लगता था खेलने में एक्टिंग करने में मेरी जब छोटी थी ऐसे करके रोती थी
या ऐसे करके रोती थी and this is something that we can have fun with the plan we've had we can do
Yeah,
this we can play these things there
actually.
for
Yes.
nothing but we can just play it we can do it for our future children coming into
Yep.
like fruition we'll show them see we used to do this for you I really want to make videos for them in advance so that when they come
Aw.
I can spend time with them and when I'm working they can watch my videos and I just do not want to leave them for a second or just not be unavailable. I do not want to be an unavailable parent. So yeah.
I understand.
So I'm thinking of business products already to help my children. See.
Deepika थोड़ी
So,
और बड़ी हुई. She's doing all of this in her college. She's dancing, she's acting, she's doing street plays,
hmm.
and BMS तो कर ही रही है. Then
क्या
she
कर रही है?
got married.
Oh, BMS. Okay.
Yeah.
I
Then she
heard
got
BMS.
married.
I got confused with homeopathy. I'm like, what? BMS?
No.
Business management studies, right?
Yes.
So you have your notes of college also. They will also come into huge importance when you are creating your course. And I'm starting with another business soon, which is course designing.
Mm-hmm.
So I can help all of you with that. Course like product designing and idea generation. So it can help all of you with that because that is about how you can create a course and what the structures are needed. किसके बाद क्या आता है and all that. So I can help you with that placement also. If you just start now and you have your college ka book, then you just don't even need my help. You have your book first year, second year, third year because it's already encapsulated. So now do we see the importance of system?
Yes, definitely.
Now do we know how important education is?
Actually, yeah.
So is there any regret in Deepika now?
No.
It's very, very, very important to have a structure and I loved education this part only. I love making syllabus. I liked. ये बात जो करना होता था वो मुझे पसंद नहीं था बिल्कुल. So this brings us to Deepika की जब शादी हुई.
She started working. That's all.
So what is your job role in the company?
It's again marketing, talking to people, which I used to love.
So do you see why you needed to learn marketing before starting your business? Because you're going for a corporate field.
Oh, amazing. Yep.
It's very easy to market corporate field actually because but whenever the god would come
Yes, I understand.
So what else is she interested in? So she already has an idea of cooking business which she can have a collab
Yes.
and start her first collab business with Rahi. And in fact, you can go for that course also,
Yes.
personality development thing, because
Yes,
the
yes.
certification will, the only reason certification is helpful is because आपको कोर्स में वो इनकैप्सुलेट करके सिखा रहे हैं ना, स्ट्रक्चर दे रहे हैं. That is why
Hmm.
I have KBB, and there I don't know how many courses I have. Like relationship coaching, as a relationship coach,
Hmm.
I have never ending courses, like
Hmm.
never ending courses.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, and that is because I really needed the product, like what do I say, like the format.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
format is like the more you learn from people, the more you allow people to teach you,
Teach you. Yeah.
the more your brain opens, more your domain of thought process opens.
Correct. Yes. Definitely.
So this
Hmm.
brings us to दीपिका अभी जब एकदम बड़ी होगी, एकदम बड़ी नहीं हुई है, अभी छोटी है बट
अभी
अभी
बड़े
दीपिका
होने का
की
ख्याल आ गया उसको.
अभी दीपिका की हॉबी क्या है?
Oh. अभी दीपिका की हॉबी है खुद को हील करना.
ओके, सो सेल्फ हेल्प, so that comes under personality development.
Hmm.
Self help is a very important part because you have
Sorry.
to teach them self love.
Yes.
So here comes another business offer for you. We already have How to Love Yourself course.
Yes,
So
definitely.
you can go for affiliate marketing also.
Hmm.
And affiliate marketing is a format of business where you help another company to sell their products and they give you a percentage.
Correct.
So this brings you to your another business where you can collab with our company, where you can share our self-help courses and you get constant profit percentage sharing with our company, which we will have to sign a contract for.
Hmm.
And that brings, and anyone interested here, and this is my 16th product I just made. 17th product, sorry. Here comes my 17th business product. And that, wow, I love the number 17. Now I'm santusht. I love the number 17. So for 2020, I won't make another product. So my December resolution.
No more
So
products.
affiliate marketing. So anyone interested to do affiliate marketing and share our products and collab with us post 25th December, because then the prices really go higher up because the class courses will be also encapsulated in KiCat.
Hmm.
So definitely all of you can, all anyone interested in affiliate marketing can go for it. And if you have collaboration, definitely you can tell like I have a product with another person, I am collaborated with this company. So do you see how evolved your business would be?
Yes, definitely. Yeah. Amazing.
And all the more I have experience of working in the company you're working with.
Hmm.
Now, plus I am a graduate of BMS and I'm a personality development and communication skills trainer or image consultancy and soft skills trainer or any term you would like to give. And if you have certification from ECT, they already give you work.
Yes.
How
Sorted, bro.
sorted do you feel?
How sorted? I was saying that only sorted, bro.
I love sorting people.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much. I cannot imagine my life without you. भूलती ही रहती मैं.
So here you are, you're ready with your. How many business products do you have now?
अरे मैंने पूरा खिचड़ी बनाया, but I think
Personality development,
that's the main मतलब
soft communication skills and personality development is
personality
the main.
development. Yes, yeah.
So like that next one brings us to the pointer of affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing, yeah, that's there.
Then collaborative business products, which you can have endless because you have so many people out here जिनके साथ आप कभी भी collab कर सकते हो. Whenever you're in the mood to create any product, just call me up. Like, seriously, let's create a collaborative business. I'll be like, hey, let's do this. I love creating businesses. So, collaborative businesses. And if you are open to collaborative businesses, it can be a product, in fact, where you can call in people and say, ki, do you want to collab and create business with me? Because a personality development and a communication skills person can collab with anybody because that domain is needed in every structure,
Every structure, yeah.
and marketing and business is needed in every structure. How do you feel like now to have your corporate life?
Amazing.
Are you fitting into your corporate life now?
Yes. Yes.
Do you sense a sense of belongingness? I do see an avalanche of abundance coming in your way.
Oh, thank you. Much awaited, yeah. Thank you so much.
So congratulations. Oh, okay. You guys have affiliate marketing for 4 products because we also have merchandise. For all of you who didn't know. Yes, Q8 also has clothes. I already have my own merchandise, which I design myself.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
And they are cool tees. And like there are like tarot and all like a lot of stuff. You'll get it on YouTube. Teesprings, you know. So this gives you a lot of products, I guess. And in fact, you can have tarot also with it.
Yes.
Like someone like incorporating astrology and tarot with it. And channeling and painting channeling with it.
Oh my.
So that can be like a side by thing you can share to get more people to create the hype and get more people interested. You can just have that as your content. Oh, I just broke my resolution. I got another idea. Creative writing coach and content developer. Like, okay.
18. Today's the lucky day.
It is like I mind every second is lucky. I keep on getting these ideas. Like I am so full of ideas at times, and I'm like सोचते ही रह जाती हूँ. Like seriously, let's coach yourself. Like let's have fun just imagining, because with so many ideas, action is like best as a coach.
True. Well, thank you. I am feeling
Like
very
I'm very
sorted.
excited. You
Yeah,
need to
even
first
me
join.
too.
So instead of leaving your job, you can invest in ECT.
For
Like
sure.
next
Yeah.
month.
Mm-hmm.
Because the course, guess what? The course is around 15K.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Exactly. Around. Because I know the content writing course is 15K. But I thought I'll go for it. Well, I wanted to create that product. So I thought that I'll take their course up and then go for it. Because to create that, I will have a format. And the TOSL, the thing I'm talking about, that's only $34. So hardly 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees.
Oh, wow.
And they're just like, oh, I am getting more ideas. Money exchange. I was about to say, if anybody wants to pay through PayPal and have foreign money exchange issues, can definitely do that to me. Like, that gives me more idea. And in fact, I know a person जिनके life purpose है to like, because Pakistan में, you know, right, Pakistan से दूसरे country में sending fund is difficult. So there is a person I know जिनके life purpose यही है, life purpose like उनके अभी के business ये है कि he helps in transaction
Oh, wow. Amazing.
from Pakistan to other countries.
Great.
How does it get any better? How do you feel?
I think it's going to get better and better
It
by the
just
end
keeps
of the
getting
course.
better and
It
better
just
and
keeps
better and
getting
better
better
and
and
better and better
better.
and better and better and better.
Definitely, definitely. There's no stopping.
Yes. So with that being told, how do you feel on a scale of 0 to 10 on the basis of sorted?
Sorted to bro, 9, and that's like I cannot even imagine.
1 is your
Because, like,
action though, which you have to take.
yeah, which I have to take.
And all of you, whoever the idea formulation is happening, you have to take the action before the beginning of 2021.
All right.
All of you have to start something because, like you and Rahi had your class today.
Yes.
Wednesday, we'll start with Pramila, and after completing, I'll go to Urmila because Navnita is very sorted, so I'll come to her at the end. Navnita and Kajal I'll do together because they are very sorted and they have the exact same, very similar to each other profession. And they both have their already they're working in company and they have their company rules and restrictions and stuff. So I'm gonna be working on Navnita and Kajal together. And next day I'm gonna be working on Pramila. Because Pramila is also very sorted with her sustainable development idea. And after today, I'm sure she's getting greater ideas, so she's gonna think about it. So Wednesday she's gonna work on it. And same goes for Urmila. And why I started working with Rahi, and I could have worked with Kajal also because Kajal was getting a lot of ideas these days. But she did not join the call today. And Rahi, I started with this because Rahi is already someone who's very sorted with this.
Yeah, true.
And that is why I started with her. And then I came to you because you keep getting ideas, I know, and you needed it.
I needed it. I needed it badly.
So yeah, there you go. How do you feel?
I'm feeling amazing, sorted, calm after long. I'm like, यार इतना कुछ तो है करने के लिए, क्या कर रही है यार? Start कर दे कुछ तो.
Exactly. Start it. You will start your. I have a request for you.
Yeah.
If you do this by Wednesday, I don't know. I probably will come to Mumbai to hug you and kiss you.
Oh my God, amazing. I have
What you have
to.
to do is that
Mm-hmm.
you will make a roti making course. If you want to collab with me, I can help you with content. You can have your first collab business. I can help you with how to formulate the structure and product designing. I can help you with that.
Okay.
You will
Done.
make your perfect roti making course. It has to be a video course,
Understood,
5-step
yeah.
process, and you will sell it for 500 rupees. Not even 500, you can sell it for lesser
Lesser,
because more you sell it for lesser, more people will buy.
yeah. Exactly.
You'll have the money, bro.
Absolutely.
And you can collab with me. So we both become multimillionaires in a week because of the roti. Because I
Yes.
will design your product and you make the roti. And we can do it on Zoom also because you can teach me and I can do the talking part. Now she's doing this.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Now
Amazing.
I can do it today only after the class. Right now you can have your business product ready and launched.
Karte, why not?
Because roti you have, maida you have, sorry, atta you have. See, look at me. Atta you have, everything you have. And people do not, it is a huge concern. कि
Yes.
गोल रोटी नहीं, but then how we can market it is that हम रोटी गोल बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं, नहीं बनते. You've seen those ads, right?
Yes.
नहीं बनते. I'm very good with that kind of, like, I'm very good with sales and marketing, but for non-godly products. I can't sell God. God is the last thing I can sell. मुझे, like, दम घुटने लग जाते हैं. But that is something I am healing the block of because everything is God.
Absolutely, yeah, true. Mm-hmm.
Of course, khana is Lakshmi. And you can have it in different languages. Nepali course. See, now so you feel like dancing, I guess. Nepali course, Hindi course, Bengali course. Who will speak Bengali? Rahi. I cannot
Rahi.
speak constant, like, I can speak constant Bengali, but not for professional purposes.
Mm-hmm.
But I can.
Assamese course,
मुझे बोलते बड़ी.
Assamese course. Who will help you? Navneeta. Marathi course. Oh, you already know Marathi.
Yeah.
Six languages, English. 7 languages. How to make a roti course. Your whole life you might even not have to do anything in your whole life. You'll be like, thank God मुझे रोटी बनाना आता था. जिंदगी संभाल लिया मैंने एक रोटी के जरिए. मतलब रोटी मेरे एक रोज की रोटी देते.
मैं अरबी पढ़ना सिखा सकती हूँ लोगों को.
There you go. And we can have it in Arabi also, the course. 8th.
How?
In fact, I have so many language translators for KiCat now. Wow. You guys gave me 16 plus 8 products now. So, how do you feel?
I'm feeling so calm, so sorted.
Now, on a scale of 0 to 10, how do you feel?
It's there only because there's no action as yet, but yeah,
Yes.
it is
So,
9.5.
action आपके फोन को आपको बस सेल्फी कैमरा ऑन करना है,
ऑन
वीडियो
करना है
कैमरा,
और स्टार्ट करना है.
और स्टार्ट करना है. कुछ नहीं
Yes.
करना है आपको. You just have to put makeup, बन ठन के, and you have to
बन
just
ठन
do
के.
those. And yeah, you have to make your marketing things. And 14-15 days we create hype and sell the product for 99 also. Sorted, bro.
Sorted, yeah.
And in fact, that is how I can launch my product designing also. And we are sorted. One roti of yours makes both you and I a millionaire. All of us are millionaires. Because you're collaborating with everybody with the language part.
This
एक रोटी की
definitely will
कीमत
do.
तुम क्या समझो? एक गोल रोटी की कीमत क्या हो सकता है? तुम क्या समझो?
क्या समझो? Definitely.
You know, stitching, tailoring. Do you know how to stitch?
Yeah, I do. इतना नहीं. I know ऐसे बनाओ वैसे बनाओ. That I know.
But मुझे बहुत आता है.
There you
बहुत सारे
go.
stitches आते हैं.
We have another person here who can have another course. I come from knowledge industry and I'm a certified student of Tony Robbins. So I can make course out of anything. This is what I learned in my class, to create course out of everything. जो भी चल रहा है उससे course बना दो. जो भी आता है course बना.
Zero.
Yes,
क्लास 8 से खाना बना रही हूँ.
there you go. Here we have another person. The thing is, आप सबको action लेने की जरूरत है. And Wednesday, I will be starting the same class with Urmila and Pramila. So both of you be ready. All of you know the structure now because I have done this work with Rahi before also, because she's done one inner child healing with me long back. Then I had given her a life purpose. I don't know what life purpose came through for her then. I think writing had come. Writing was your life purpose, no? That got revealed. Rahi? Hello? I'm sure, Rahi, you're talking on mute. Because you are on mute. Hello?
Hello.
Rahi? Yeah.
हाँ.
What was your life purpose जो आया था inner child healing के बाद?
Inner child healing के बाद life purpose. हाँ. Tarot reading, psychic reading, and jewelry making, fashion
Yeah.
designing, these are, and
Wow.
cooking.
It had come already. Wow. You are ahead of time. I think in March, no?
हाँ मार्च.
In March only I have given this to Rahil.
हाँ
So,
मैंने उसके बाद ही यूट्यूब चैनल खोल लिया ना अपना. और
See, this is how you take action. This is the reason I started the session with her, because she has worked with me one-on-one for a lot of sessions. All of you can work with me one-on-one now also, because now I have a 3 sessions pack, because I'm like in 3 sessions I'm sorting things. Career life, whatever you bring, 3 sessions, it's sorted. So first thing, Deepika, you will do is take action. Sit down,
Yes.
both of you. Sit down. Whatever you've written, think about it. Walk through the things you've written. Process it. As you both process it, various ideas will come to you both. And with these various ideas, you can literally go to the next level.
Yes.
So thank you and love and light to all of you. Namaste.
Thank you.